our 10 burner oven range. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 60 inches, a depth of 32¼ inches with the side splash. Minus the splash, we have 30¼ inches. Overall height with legs towards the top of the splash, we have 59¼ inches. Minus the splash, we have 35½ inches tall. Coming to the top are the 10 burner range, with each burner plate measuring 11¾ inches in length by 11¾ inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the 10 burner plates on top. Coming to the top of the range will be the shelf. Measurements for the shelf will include 60 inches in length with a depth of 10 inches. Coming to the front center will be turn knobs to control each individual burners on top. And coming to the right side will be your oil pan that can be removed. Measurements for the oil pan will include 9¼ inches in length by 25 inches in depth. Oil pan can be removed and inserted back into the slot right beneath the turn knobs controlling the burners on top. Measurements for the left oil pan will include 31¼ inches in length, also by 25 inches in depth. Oil pan can be removed and inserted back into the slot right beneath the turn knobs controlling the burners on top. Coming to the bottom will be your left and right ovens, with each side including 2 adjustable shelves. Each shelf will measure 25½ inches in length by 24 inches in depth. The interior height measuring 14 inches tall. Measurements apply for the left and right ovens right beneath the burners. Coming to the left side will be the black pipe and gas entry for the gas connection. This oven range combo can be used for propane or natural gas. Included will be the gas regulator, along with the conversion kit if using for propane. Last but not least, this oven range is ETL and NSF certified. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.